You know, Dubai flat business is not really easy. One of my friend, he is European. He came to Dubai. He want to start the business. He is basically a flight attendant. He buy one flat, then he start making partition. Once he reached to 17 partition, and almost the work is finished, like only painting remaining. That's the time he received notice from the real estate. They told him to remove all the partition right now. So where he did a mistake and he lost more than 50,000 dirham in 1 month. How? When he supposed to remove the partition materials, then you need a place where you can keep all the things. In Dubai you don't have extra space, so he buy another flat to utilize all the tools, because he buy doors and everything. So where he will keep, imagine just that is 17 partition wood, then 17 partition of doors and all those stuff. So he now make only bed space there, and bed space business I never suggest you. In our language we call amluko tol, or we call chindaho tol. So it's mean like if you bring 6 tenants, they make a group, they go from you and you need to another, and whole year you cannot make full your bed space. You can take experience from any owner who have bed space. So I will suggest you, if you want to jump into this business, you need a person who can guide you very well, and for that I'm here, I'm available, I'm your brother. I'm not taking any commission, no fee, nothing. Oh, this area, if I go more maybe I will fall down, but I don't want to fall down. I don't know camera will record this place or no. There is just a roadside, not I didn't come to any park like this so I can enjoy. Just I'm waiting for a person. So come to the point. Okay, if you want to take a flat, you must need to know you can make partition or no. There is two kind of situation. In one situation from the real estate it's allowed to make partition. In other situation from the real estate not allowed, but they have no restriction unless you will not do any bad thing. So that is second scenario. But the third scenario, only the people will misguide you that if you talk to the watchman and management and AC management person and all those people, and you pay extra 5,000 dirham or 10,000 dirham, you will get permission and you will make partition. That's all only drama. Yeah, this condition apply and the second condition which I discussed, but for that you need to know basically in which flat it's allowed from the management but not indirect from the real estate, because have a lot of things, a lot of restrictions, and there if allowed partition you need to pay extra commission, extra deposits, you need to pay admin fees, partition allowed charges and extra more. But in other condition you no need to pay anything, just need to security deposit, and that's all. So I will request you, if ever you are interested, you can come to this business. I will guide you freely. And the problem is, if you don't have the tenants, I will also help you to give you the tenants, but end result I just need what? Only respect and your praise. So let's start from today this business. Come to the business, don't waste your time, and take a loan from the bank. If you have a good salary, if you can take, and I will give you whole way like diagram. I will show you how you can recover your principal amount, and how you can filter the tenants, and how you will get the profit, and into how many months you can give back your loan amount to the bank. And if you give back your all amount to the bank, that's the time you can get double loan again. Like first time you get the loan 100,000, second time you will take 200,000, but mostly like if your account is in NBD bank, you will take more than 100,000. You will take almost 300,000, 400,000, and if you give back that amount, you will take more like 1 million. So it depends on you how you will continue, how you will do this thing. So for now that's all. If you have any question you can ask me, but just use the hashtag like hashtag visit to Dubai, then next you can ask your any questions. So there I will filter and I will give you answer for every question. Even you speak any kind of language, I will explain you in your own language, like if that is Urdu, Hindi or Pashto or English. So no worries, just come to the business. Thank you, Dubai. Do you know, I have one friend, he is European. He told me to not mention his name, but he buy one flat. Now he don't know what kind of scams now in market. So what he did, he buy one flat and he start making partitions. So once he reached to 17 partition in that flat, that is basically 2 BHK, but the rooms are very big, hall also. So he just start making partition. But when he reached to the final touch, like only painting remaining, that's the time he received